Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I got my hair from this nice silk press to this using better length clip-ins. If you guys are interested, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm about to get started with the straightening process. So I have my flat iron right here. I told you guys in the last silk press video that I was going to go back to this flat iron because I have bought the upgraded version to this, but it didn't work that well. So I have this on 450. If it seems too hot, I'm going to go right down to 410 degrees. If I do that, I will let you guys know. So I am going to section my hair off. So I did blow dry my hair, as you guys can see. I used a shampoo and a conditioner. I used Heritage by Mindy, her shampoo, and I also used the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Restorative Hair Mask. So those are the only two things that I used in my hair, you guys, and now I'm going to straighten it. So for the chase method, I'm going to be using a brush. I find that this is just a lot easier for me. So I'm going to put this on 410. I feel like 450 is just way too much. So I'm just gonna put it right back down to 410. Alright guys, so I am back. So my hair is all straightened. I do love my hair straightened, but I would love to add a little bit more length. So I am going to be utilizing clip-ins. Y'all, I love utilizing clip-ins. I've used them a ton on my channel because they're literally so quick and so easy to use, and you can get so many bomb styles by using them, and your hair will look very natural in the process. So you guys know my favorite clip-in company is Better Length. I've featured them a ton on my channel in the past, and you guys, the clip-ins that I got from them 2.5 to 3 years ago, guess what? I still got them, and they are still bomb.com. But I wanted to try some light Yaki clip-ins, so I went ahead and got that from them. So this is the nice little drawstring bag that it comes into, or dust bag that it comes into. And the clip-ins that I am going to be installing today are 20 inches long, you guys, and they come in the color 1B. So yeah guys, let's get into it. So this is the little packaging that it comes in. As you guys can see, off black, 20 inches. Absolutely stunning. Let's see how well it matches my hair. It looks like a pretty good match to me. What y'all think? It's a good match? All right. So this actually did come with an extra clip and also some thread. So if you guys do need to use an additional clip because maybe one of the clips have fallen off or anything like that, they sent an extra one so you don't have to worry about it. So this is how the hair looks. Beautiful. And then you can see the clips right here. Super easy, click clack. So this actually comes with 7 pieces of hair, you guys. So 4 of them have 2 clips on the wefts. Then you have 2 with 3 clips on the wefts. And then you have 1 with 4 clips on the wefts. So I'm going to go ahead and install. Y'all, I am literally like, what style do I want to do? I was thinking of like an updo, like a half up, half down, or updo with some, curls coming down in my face. But y'all, I feel like I'm stuck because there's so many different hairstyles that I can do, So let's just install the clip-in so we can see how they look. How they look just, with my natural hair and how well it blends. Yeah, I think, ooh, that would look so cute, y'all, with 2 coming down here. Ooh, I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So I want to leave a decent amount of hair out in the back just in case I want to, put my hair up in a ponytail. I can do that freely. Just slide it down and clip it. Slide it down, clip it. Slide it down and clip it. Boom. Looking so good already. So this is the clip-ins with nothing done to my hair. I think I only put in 4 pieces of the clip-ins. And this is how it looks. I'll show you guys the back. Just a really, really nice blend. So now let's do a style. So I'm going to take another 3-piece clip-in and I'm going to put it right here in the center. So I'm going to get some of this carrot hair styling wax stick. Just going to part it off.
Pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Mom and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics.
This is the Even New York Extra Mega Hold 24-Hour Edge Tamer. You guys see that? Okay, so I'm gonna put that around my edges. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys would like to get these clip-ins, definitely check my description box because I do have a discount code where you guys can get money off. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!